Alright everyone, today we're going to show you how to download Coinbase wallet and link it to Coinbase. So just gotta type in coin right here in your app store, or you can do it also from Google Play. You'll see a couple of different options pop up. You're just going to select the Coinbase wallet. I already have it installed, but if it didn't, it would say install, and you just click install and follow the directions. Once that app is installed, you'll open it. You see you have two options: create a new wallet, or I already have a wallet. We're going to create a new wallet. Once you're inside of here, you can see the terms of service. You can read through that and the privacy policy. You're going to have to accept those to install. Once you've done that, you can select a username. I'm just going to match my other account that we created in the previous video, Joe Schmo. That wasn't available, so I'll just put a 1. Here you can pick public or private on your wallet type. Inevitably, it really doesn't matter, because if you select private, it's still on the blockchain, and all wallet transactions are on the blockchain. So if someone were to know your wallet, they can find you with either scan, but I'll leave mine public. Here you're going to pick either a passcode or touch identification. I use Touch ID. Once you select that, put your finger to the plate and it will sign you into the Coinbase wallet. This will take a minute, depending on your service and all that. The next thing, back up your wallet. This is important. This is your password. You need to back this up. You need to know where that password is. Once you're in the wallet, you can see you're on the main screen right here. This is where you can do trades, convert your crypto with DEXs, decentralized exchanges. These run directly on the blockchain. You can also use Uniswap or 0x API. The 0x API can charge you a lot of money. I would not recommend doing that. You can resend, receive, or send. It gives you the option from your Coinbase account from another wallet. So next you're going to click on the gear on the bottom right, and you can see a few things here, but the main thing, note, connect to Coinbase. This is what you want to do. You're going to click on connect to Coinbase to connect that wallet. Once you hit connect, it's going to walk you through the process. It's going to ask you to authorize and all that, and you'll just do all that. You need to have the Coinbase app installed and logged in on that device to do it, because it wants you to authorize that from the same device. So be sure you have the Coinbase app on the same device. Once you get it on there, that's pretty much all you do. You can purchase directly from the Coinbase wallet app. You can pick any coin you want. If you are buying altcoins that are on the Ethereum chain, you will need to purchase Ethereum to make that transaction. So be sure that that's the one you purchase if you want to purchase an ERC20 token. These are some of the different options you can have. Be sure that you have that app locked, because if you don't, someone could go in and move money from your account to another one without you knowing it if they got access to your phone. So if you lose your phone, they can access that. So you want that app locked.